So what Yoics is a secure networking solution that basically allows networking to be as easy as instant messaging. You can use it with any kind of network service. So if you wanted to share a folder on your machine, you can share it as a web server. If you wanted to share your desktop and basically allow somebody to remote desktop to that, you could do that. If you wanted to share a device or a camera type of equipment, you can do that. The technology is very universal, so actually you can embed that into existing software applications. You can build it into existing network applications or devices, standalone devices, or if you'd like, we actually work with partners that actually incorporate into their own solutions, but it's all universally accessible. So the key is, once you set up a device, it actually becomes web accessible, so you can just log into Yoics, and actually it'll just show up and you can access any of those devices from wherever. People are actually doing things like surveillance cameras. So surveillance cameras right now, if you wanted to set one up, you'd actually have to configure your router and networking to allow remote access in. But if it's Yoics enabled camera, you can just instantly see it on an iPhone or any web enabled device. If you have an existing Ethernet camera and you have any PC on that network loaded with Yoics software, then those cameras or any network equipment can instantly become a Yoics device. So you can take a printer, a camera, anything on that network and you use it via Yoics.
Okay. So who's the target customer for that?
It's really the mainstream, anybody who's using this kind of functionality. So the mass market consumer who wants this kind of functionality. What we do for a living is actually we provide hosted services. So we work with the camera manufacturers to provide these services to their camera, and then to their customers, we provide services like storing their surveillance footage, right? Or for the people that are using the consumer service to remote access their folders, we also provide one-touch backup services, so they can instantly access or back up those services online. The base service is actually free. You can download the application and use the web service for free, and then we provide those value-added services that we think are very useful for certain users.
Right.
PC is available for download now. Obviously, the web viewer works on any platform. We also have Linux daemon available now, and we have a private beta going on for Mac. So if you want to use that, just register, and we'll get you the latest version when it's available.
Yoics name, where does that come from?
It's really just a fun name. It's sort of your own internet-connected servers.
Okay. And just a little bit more on the company itself. Where are you based? How many employees?
The company is based in Palo Alto. We have 6 employees. It's been around for about a year and a half.
Wow. Customers so far in either hosting or?
Well, we've got some private customers. We'll be making some more announcements over the next couple months.